RPG music. I like how you whining your waist on mommy. I like your body, your best on mommy. Oh baby, baby, just whining. I like your whining. You got perfect timing.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. The wig that I'm installing today is from Rpghair. By the way, this is their new Christmas packaging, which is absolutely adorable. Look at it. And I have my wig right here. Silky shade. Ooh, this feels so good. Yeah, you can even see the silkiness in the shooter lenses. This is their full lace wig. They've actually bleached the knot, which I absolutely love on this. Yeah, the knots does come bleached. This is so nice. And also now I noticed that like a lot of their units have like a deeper parting space, so I really like that. These little pieces here that raises up, what I do is I spray some of the thing on the end of my comb, and then I just apply it there. Right. Now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just hold it. Now that my wig is laid down, I'm just going to take my flat iron and run it through it really quick. So hair is kind of bumpy, but that's not because of the wig. That's because of my braid under it. I can feel the braid right there. So it is kind of bumpy right there. Just putting that out there. Oh, this wig is so gorgeous. Yo, I live for like a sleek, nice straight wig. And this, y'all see? Do y'all see that? Yeah, so I did go in and add some baby hairs off camera. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like now that I've added just a little baby hairs. I didn't do nothing too crazy today. Just something to make it look really natural and nice. Okay, also I went ahead and did my brows off camera, and I'm going to use this Sparkly 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. And this oil, honestly, like every night I apply this to my face, like after I'm finished washing my face and stuff. And I don't know if it's me or the oil or like my skin is just playing tricks on me, but I found like my skin has cleared up like tremendously. I really don't know if it's the oil or what it is, but it gives my face like this really natural radiant glow that I must say that I really like. And yeah, but I noticed like since I started using this product, like before I had like a couple black scars on the side of my face, and they're like really clearing up now. So I don't know if it's the product or like I said, just my skin playing tricks on me. I really don't know. But I love using this. I use it a lot of times, not as a primer, but like just a moisturizer to keep my face hydrated and nice. I'm gonna go with this Cover FX Blur-In Primer. I got this in my beauty, what's it called? My Boxy Charm monthly subscription box. And this I really love. I really like this. It does help with like giving my foundation a nice finish, and it looks really smooth and nice. So like literally blurs out all the little pores and stuff like that. For foundation, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation, and this one is in bronze. This is my wintertime foundation. You guys will see like it is a little light when I put it on, but I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm talking about. You see, like compared to my arm, it is kind of light, but that's literally the color of my face right now. So, but once I'm finished contouring and everything, you don't see how light it is. I'm gonna take this foundation stick by Anastasia, and I'm gonna use this to contour my face to give me some definition, because right now this ain't it. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight my face. Now I'm just going to blend out this contour, because I need my face looking snatched, honey. Snatch, snatch, snatch. So literally this year I was thinking that I probably should partake in the whole Vlogmas stuff, because that's literally like my favorite. Like December is literally like my favorite month of the year. By the way, it's your girl's birthday on December 21st, so y'all know I'm hyped. But yeah, I was like, maybe I should partake in it. I don't know yet. Like I'm still contemplating whether or not I should. I just don't want to like start and then I fall off like midway through. So that's like my whole issue right now, is that I want to start and then like I only put out like 2 or 3, you know. Like I want to actually start it and finish, so we'll see. I'm thinking if I should, because for my birthday I know I'm gonna be posting like a lot of vlogs, and yeah, so maybe I should. I don't know yet. Let me know down below. Like let me know in the comment section down below if you guys think I should partake in the whole Vlogmas stuff. And yeah, because I honestly want to do like a lot of holiday tutorials and stuff like that, and you know, just different vlogs and shit. So let me know down below what you guys think. Should I or should I not? I find this part so soothing. I don't know, like even before I started doing YouTube tutorials and stuff, like every night, like there was one point in my life where like every night before I fell asleep, like I had to watch makeup tutorials. Like it was so addicting. And then I don't know, it's like after I started doing YouTube myself, I just stopped. But when I used to watch YouTube tutorials like every day, you guys, this part was like my favorite part to see. I just love seeing people blend the fuck out of a concealer. Like I just find this part so soothing. So like a lot of times that's why I don't cut out me blending out my concealer, because I don't know if there's any other weirdos out there like me that just love seeing this part. But this is literally like my favorite part about makeup besides highlight. Yeah. I just want to clean up my contour today. Like, yeah, so I'm giving myself a sharp jawline today. I'm here for this. Honestly, I feel like a sharp contour just looks so good. So lately, that's what I've been like really into. Literally transforming myself right now from a 0 So a hero, honey. The areas that I highlighted, I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. And yeah, this one is in Buttercup. On my entire face, I'm using my MAC Mineral Skin Finish, and this one is in dark. I'm just going to take a bit more of this setting powder and place it all over my lids. Because I'm not applying any eyeshadow today, we're just going to do some, I'm just going to do like a really thick liner and some dramatic lashes. I live for some dramatic lashes. I'm just applying some of my foundation powder like in my creases and stuff. And I'm just, really, if I wasn't recording this whole process, I would have probably already been done already. Would usually take me about, I would say 10 to 20 minutes. I'm just taking some contouring powder and going over my cheeks. Alright, so now I'm taking the NYX liquid liner. Okay, why is Coco barking like that? Honestly, I hate doing liners on camera just because Coco is so annoying. That's usually how I do my liners. Usually I would go more dramatic, but we're not going anywhere today like that, just to the mall and to the bank, and so this is just fine. And to highlight my face, I'm using the Maybelline, what's this one called? I lost the cover. The Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This one is in Molten Gold. I love bringing my highlight out towards my cheeks. It just gives me like this really nice glow. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah. I always start applying my highlight like on my cheek area, and then I work my way in. Sometimes you even gotta like plump your cheeks up so you don't get that perfect spot. I'm gonna take this Mario Badescu I don't know how to pronounce that shit. The Mario Badescu skincare. This is a facial spray with olive, cucumber, and green tea. I honestly like using this, but I just hate the smell of it. It smells really weird to me, but it really like sets my makeup. So it has like an old woman smell. The lashes that I'm wearing are these ones right here, which is from the Stay Blowing Minds collection. Okay, so I'm back. Lashes are on. Now it's just time to finish up my lips because I have no lip products on. And as usual, I'm taking a brown lip liner. And I know my lip liner is almost out. It's so tiny. And then to finish it off, I'm using the Fenty Beauty gloss. I haven't tried that new one that she has. I mean, I tested it in the Sephora store, but it was honestly looking kind of white, so I was like, nah, I'm not getting it. And then there we have it. But yes, y'all, this is pretty much the look. Makeup is super basic today. This is literally how I would usually do my everyday makeup. So yeah, this is pretty much the look. This is honestly how I would do my everyday makeup. Just some liner, some bold dramatic lashes. Honestly, if my lashes are not dramatic, I just don't feel like myself. But I really love this here and the look overall. This is like my favorite everyday makeup look. This is so ridiculous, you guys. I literally started this video at 11 something. Why is it almost 2 o'clock? It's 1:32. Like, how? This is so crazy. And like I was telling you guys, if I was not recording, this whole look would take me about 45 minutes the most to do. And that's with like my hair install and all, like 45 minutes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys do want to see more get ready with me videos like this one, leave it down below in the comment section. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. We'll have all the details listed on where I got this hair from down below. Also, Rpghair does have their Black Friday sale going on, and I do have some coupon codes that way you guys can save some extra coins on your website. This specific unit is on sale right now, so it's really affordable, so definitely copy one while the sale is on. They have their lowest prices right now for all their lace wigs, so take advantage of that. I will leave like the coupon codes and stuff down below for you guys just to save you some extra cash, but their wigs are super cheap right now. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you would not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.